In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add inventory item in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what each field means, so your inventory stays accurate and easy to manage. Start by heading to QuickBooks in your browser and signing into your company. From the main dashboard, look to the top right and click the gear icon to open Settings. This is your control center for lists and preferences. Next, choose Products and Services. This page is your item catalog. Everything you sell or buy will live here. You'll see any existing items along with quantities, prices, and status. To create something new, click the New button and select New Product Service. When the options appear, choose Inventory. That tells QuickBooks you want to track quantity on hand and inventory value for this item. Now fill in the details. Give the item a clear, descriptive name customers and your team will recognize. If you use SKUs, add one that matches your labeling or supplier records. Categories are optional, but they help keep similar items grouped, so use them if you've set them up. Set the initial quantity on hand and the A's of date. This establishes your opening stock and when you started tracking it in QuickBooks. Pick the date carefully. Using the correct date helps keep both quantities and accounting balances accurate. If you don't want to bring in an opening balance, you can leave quantity at 0 and adjust later. Add a reorder point if you'd like QuickBooks to flag low stock. Enter the sales price or rate, the amount you charge customers, and indicate if the item is taxable. Under purchasing information, enter your cost, which should be your typical vendor purchase cost, and select a preferred vendor if you have one. Review the accounting fields. The income account should reflect where sales of this item are recorded, commonly a sales of product income account. The expense account for inventory purchases typically maps to cost of goods sold. The inventory asset account is used to track the value on your balance sheet and is usually set automatically. Once everything looks right, click Save. You'll return to the Products and Services list with your new inventory item added. You can search for it, make edits if anything changes, and keep an eye on quantity as you buy and sell. A few quick tips. Use consistent naming, keep SKUs unique, and double-check the A's of date and initial quantity to avoid reconciliation headaches. If you don't see the inventory option, you may need a plan that supports inventory or to enable inventory features before proceeding. That's it. You've added an inventory item in QuickBooks ready for accurate tracking and smoother sales and purchasing.